how to fix this version of WhatsApp has expired on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such error message on your WhatsApp, then in that case what you first need to do is just come back to your App Store on your device. So let me just quickly select my App Store and simply search in for WhatsApp application. Since we are selecting WhatsApp, and once you're inside here, just make sure you have updated your application to its latest version available if it's available. So if you already have installed or updated the application, so in that case what you might want to do next, if it is still showing the same error, is just come back to your WhatsApp application just like this and simply click on settings, and once inside settings just click on chats and make sure you have enabled this chat backup over here. So once you enable this chat backup, just come back to your settings once again. So once you're inside your settings, just click on this general option over here and simply click on iPhone storage and just locate your WhatsApp application and make sure you can delete or reinstall your application from over here by simply uninstalling it from over here. So once you do all of that, try restarting your device and re-log in with your login credentials on your WhatsApp and your issues will be fixed successfully. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.